boys and girls. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. Well, welcome. Today we're here to learn about common versus proper nouns, okay? But before we begin, let's look at some of the important vocabulary words that we're going to need to know for today, okay? So here's the first word. Do you know what it says?
Person.
Person. Everybody say it.
Person.
Yeah, a person is our first vocabulary word.
Person.
Person.
Is a pronoun.
Okay? And this one here, what is this?
Place.
Place. Everybody say it. Place. Good. Like a house or a store. All right? Yes?
Thing.
Thing. Good. Everybody say it.
Thing.
Thing. Good job. Okay? We'll set that one right there. And this one is a common noun. Everybody say
Common noun.
good job. Common noun. And then we have a proper noun.
Proper noun.
And then we have a capital,
Capital.
capitalize,
Capitalize.
capitalization.
Capitalization.
Yeah, they all come from the word capital. Which one is the capital? Yeah? And how would you describe a capital letter? Yes?
Naughty small letter, a big letter.
Yeah, good. Not a small letter, a big letter. How would you describe a capital letter?
It's different and big, but it's really different than the little.
It is different than a lowercase. That's right. It's not a lowercase, right? Good, good. So those are our words. Person. Let's put them all together. Person, place, thing, common noun, proper noun, and capital, right? Those are our words that are going to help us for today. Why are capital letters important? Oh, and I'm going to go to the next slide here. Oh, boo! I'm Mrs. Sowells. I'm here because I love to teach. And, oh, before we get to those questions, let's think about our objectives. The content objective. I can use common and proper nouns. And our language objective is I can write sentences with common and proper nouns. Okay? So let's read those together. Content. I can use common and proper nouns. And then let's read the language one together. I can write sentences with common and proper nouns. Okay, so by the end of the time, that's what we're going to be able to do. Okay, here's our vocabulary again, right? What is it? A person, place, thing, common noun, proper noun, capital. Now, what does this mean? Why would I put like these letters under common noun and these letters under proper noun? What do you think?
Common noun is lowercase and proper noun is uppercase.
Thumbs up if you agree or thumbs down if you disagree. I agree with you. Yeah. Common nouns we do not capitalize, so they start with the lowercase letter. And proper nouns we do capitalize, so they start with a capital letter.
I did it in Missouri.
All right, so now here are my questions, seed questions. Why are capital letters important? What do you think? Yes.
The I, if there's no capital, then it will be it.
Okay. What else? Why else are capital letters important? Okay. You can think about it some more. What do you think? Were you going to say something?
No.
Okay. Well, what about our names? Do they have a capital letter?
Yes.
Are our names important?
Yes.
Yeah, they are. They're about us, right? So that's another reason capital letters. Did you think of something else, Sora? We always capitalize the I, right? When it's by itself. That's right. Okay, what do you know about nouns? What do you you know about nouns? Yeah. People or a thing? Does this mean the same? That's good. Okay. Or a place?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So what makes a noun? What makes a noun?
I think noise.
Okay. Good guess. Any other guesses? What do you think makes a noun?
Sound like slow.
Okay. Okay. Well, maybe by the end of the lesson we can answer this question. How do you know if a word is a noun? So now let's talk about it. Okay? Let's do a thinking map. We're going to make a tree map together. Okay?
Yay.
So a tree map has all these ideas and they're building upon each other. Okay, so right here, we're going to make a tree map. Okay? Okay, so what are we talking about today? Nouns. That goes at the top of our tree map. I'm just going to erase this for now. Okay, and I'm going to move this for now so we have a little bit more room. Okay, so we're talking about nouns today. What kind of nouns? From there, we have two kinds of nouns that we're talking about. What are they? Yeah. People are a thing. Let's go back to the very, it's not, hold on.
I think I know.
Yes, go ahead, tell me.
People and place.
Okay. So the two types of nouns that we're talking about is common versus proper.
No.
Okay, so when we think about common nouns versus proper nouns, those are the two types of nouns. So common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, and then there are three types of common nouns and three types of proper nouns. And these are the same. I'll give you a clue. It's from our vocabulary. The orange vocabulary. So what do you think are the three things that make up a noun? Tell me one.
Uppercase and lowercase.
That is the difference, right, between uppercase and lowercase. Yes, but these are the three things here. So what's this one say?
Person.
What's this one say?
Place.
And what's this one say?
Thing.
Thing. So what do I need to write here, Sora?
Person, place, thing.
Yes, good job. Person, place, thing. And on this side, the same. Okay? So everybody say it. Person,
place,
place, thing. Good job. Now, what's the difference between these two? The common nouns are just things, right? They're things, or they're places, or they're people. And animals, too. Okay? But over here on a proper noun, it is a person's name. The dog's name. The place's name. The thing's name. Okay? So, things have names. People have names. Places have names, right? What's the name of this place right here? Yes.
Capel.
Yes, that's the city. That's the place where we live, yes. But the building that we're in right now is called Lakeside. Lakeside. Now, what kind of building is this?
Lakeside?
Yes, Lakeside is a
Building.
It's a building. It's a
Thing.
school. Was that what you were thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the thing or the place is a school. What is Capel? Capel is a what?
City.
It's a city. So if we're talking about the common thing, it's a city. And I'm going to make sure I put these in lowercase, right?
Yeah.
City, school. And these, what do you notice? They're uppercase, right?
Yeah,
That see and compel. So, tell me. Not yet, not yet. Okay, what about a person? What should I write, here or here? Let's think of, who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I don't know.
You live by yourself?
No.
Who do you live with? Do you live with your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, say, I live with my mom.
I live with my mom.
So here I can write mom. Do you know your mom's name?
Yeah.
What's your mom's name?
Alisa.
Alisa.
Ooh, nice.
Is it like this? Alisa?
Yeah, it starts with an A.
Yeah, A, Lisa. And that's a capital A because that's her name. Yes, Sora.
My dad.
Your dad? So where would I put dad? Here or here? Yeah, it's a common noun, right? When I say dad, that could be anybody's dad. That could be my dad, your dad, anybody, right? But what is your dad's name? Because that's the proper noun. Do you know? Can we use my dad's name? It's short and easy. My dad's name is Mike.
Oh, Mike.
Yeah, Mike. Okay, what's left? Yes?
Your sister.
Yes, but on our map, we need to talk about these. What are these? This is the thing. So, but I will write sister because I don't want to leave out the sister. But now let's move on to the thing. So what is a thing? Anything in the world. Yes, sir.
Earth.
Earth. Yes. Now, Earth is a what? Earth is a planet, right? So over here on thing, I'm going to write planet. The name of our planet is Earth. So Earth is actually with a capital. Oopsies. Accidentally touched that. We'll go back. Okay. One more thing, and then the name of that thing. Yes?
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Okay. Does the fire truck have a name? No.
No.
Oopsie. T-R-U-C-K. So the fire truck doesn't have a name. What else would be the name of a thing? I know this is hard to think about, but I want you to think about.
I do.
Yes, tell me.
I do.
A fire drill? That's something we do. Yeah, but it's not a proper. It has to be something we would capitalize. So I'm going to give you an example. My TV at home is made by Sony. Sony is the company that made the TV. Does that make sense?
No.
No? Okay, let me give you another example. You play video games? What type of system do you use to play the game on?
TV.
A TV? Do you use like a PlayStation or a Game Boy or? No? But do you know what PlayStation is? Game Boy? You know Game Boy? Good. That's a thing, and it's the name of the thing.
I play Fortnite.
Game Boy is the name of the video game, right? Okay, so now we understand more about the difference. Common noun versus proper noun. What's the difference? What's the difference between a common and a proper noun? Yes, sir.
A common is a lower case, and then proper noun is a capital.
It starts with a capital, and these are all. Oopsies, what am I gonna write? They're all names, okay? And these are all very general. Okay, let me put a little general. That means this could be any planet, any city, any school, any mom, anybody's sister, anybody, right? So it's general in that it's not, I'm not talking about one specific dog or one specific mom, right? Right? And then names is very specific. That means I'm talking about someone in particular, right? Okay, so now that we've gotten some time to think about common versus proper, I'm going to give you all a piece of paper here. On one side it says proper, on the other side it says common, okay? I'm going to show you some pictures, and you're going to hold up the side that you think is the right one for the picture, okay? Are you ready? All right, here's the first one. Ready? Hairspray. Is that a common noun or a proper noun? Show me which side do you think, and then I'll say why. Why do you pick common?
Because what the thing?
Yeah, it's just a thing. It's a general thing. It's not the name of something, right? It's just hairspray, so it's a common noun. Flip it over. Flip it over. Common. There you go. Good job. Ready for the next one? Put your card down. You ready? And this time I'm going to count to 3. And when I go 3, then you hold it up. I want you to think. 1, 2, and then hold it up. Okay? I want you to think first. You ready?
Yeah.
Show me. Why is it proper?
Because it's a city.
It's a state. Yeah. It's the name of our state, where we live. The name of our state is Texas. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Show me. Common. Why? Why is it common? Yes.
Because is it lowercase?
It's lowercase. And does this have a name, or is an orange an orange?
Orange.
An orange is an orange, right?
Yeah.
When I say orange, I'm talking about any orange, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be like this orange in my hand, right? And even then, it wouldn't have a name. Okay, well, in there. 1, 2, 3. Show me. Why proper? Why proper? What's that? Is that a capital M or a lowercase m?
Capital.
It's a capital M. And what do we know about proper nouns? They use a capital. They use a big capital letter. Okay? Yes, what is that?
Mars.
Mars. Mars is the name of the planet. Right? Good. All right, next one.
What's the answer?
2, 3. Show me. Proper. Why? Why proper?
Because.
Yes, Sora?
Because. Is the name of the word.
It's the name of the man, right? This is a man, and his name is
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Good. All right, next one. 1, 2, 3. Show me. Common. Yes, common. Does this elephant, is this the elephant's name? Is his name elephant? No, that's what it is, right? It's very general. It's just a common noun.
Yeah.
Ready? Show me. Proper. Why is it proper? Yes?
Is again proper is a name.
It's the name of the video game, right? What's this video game called?
Xbox.
Xbox One. Yeah. This is like a newer one, right? Okay. I think one more. 1, 2, 3. Show me. It is a common noun, right? Because it's just the name of a thing. It doesn't have anything. It's not specific.
Or a name.
It's not a name. It's just a chair. All right. Now it's time to write. Well, before we write, I want you to, 1, tell a partner what you're going to write. And then 2, wait, listen to all the directions. 2, listen, look up here and listen to all the directions. So 1, tell a partner what you're going to write. 2, write at least 2 sentences. And then 3, share it with your table. Okay? So here's what you can say when you're talking to your partner. I am going to write. Okay? And with these two sentences, they need to have a common and a proper noun. Okay? Do you need an example, or do you want, or you know what to do?
I know what to do.
You know what to do.
I know.
Do you want to see an example, or you know what to do?
I don't know.
Well, here are some words to help you get started with your writing. So maybe you could write, there is a school, right? Or, my favorite place is
But my favorite
food, or what? What are you going to say?
My favorite food is apple.
Apple. And the apple would be the common name, right? The common noun. Good. Like this one. I see. I see.
I see a school.
I see a school. That works. What were you going to say?
I see a flag.
I see a flag. Good. Those are all common nouns, right? What if I say, I see
A fire.
earth? I could say that, right? If I was in outer space, I could see earth. Or maybe I could say, I see the moon. I see the sun. Right?
I see Jupiter.
I see your dad, Mike. I love it because that has a proper name in there.
I said Jupiter.
I see Jupiter. Good. There's a proper noun. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, good. These are some sentences that you can use if you want to get started. Go ahead. Step 1. Tell a partner what you're going to write. So you two. Yeah.
Can we do both
Both.
at a time?
Yes, you may. You can make it as complex or as simple as you want it to be. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and go talk to her about what you're going to write. I am going to write.
I'm going to write my mom saw a crystal under the ground. School is next.
So my mom saw a crystal under the ground. So that has a common noun. Now we need a sentence with a proper noun.
I did it. No, wait.
Are you guys ready to start writing?
No.
Okay. Well, let him tell you and then
My
you can start.
sister see Ollie. Okay.
Your sister's name is Ollie?
No, my sister see my cat name's Ollie.
Oh, nice. I like it. And Ollie's going to be with a capital. Oh, good. Your turn.
My favorite. No. My food is
Good. So broccoli is the common noun. Now you need a sentence with a proper noun.
My favorite. My sister see school is done. You're done.
Go ahead and start writing your two sentences, okay? Your sister what? What's your sister's name? Okay, so can we write Anukta saw a stray dog? That way we have a proper noun. Your sister's name. Could you just try and see how good it comes out? I don't know.
I'm just gonna spell it out.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. Okay, you guys ready to write?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm writing my own one.
Yes, you are. You're all writing your own two sentences. Yes, and here's the sentence starters. If you need some ideas, there they are. Okay? Let me pick these up for you. You guys are amazing. Good. One more, and then we can share.
How do you spell straight off?
Stray. What's that? Good job. What needs to happen with the first letter of every sentence?
Okay, you do it period
and then you can do your next sentence. Yeah, good job.
I'm done.
So I straight off period. And then you have your proper noun. What about the first sentence? My favorite food is, what did you say your favorite food was?
Broccoli.
Write it down. And there's the words, my favorite, right there. Okay, let's make it a quick write. We've got 3 more minutes, and then we're going to share. You almost done, or you're done? Good. Okay. Well, you can write one more sentence then, since you're done early.
I'm done.
Okay, I think we're ready to start sharing. Are you guys ready? I mean, some people are ready. So let's get those people who are ready to start sharing.
Done.
Okay, who wants to share first? Okay, go ahead. You first.
Sandra saw Ollie. My mom see a crystal.
Nice. What was the proper noun? Sandra is the proper noun, right? And my mom see a crystal. Where's the common noun there? There's 2 actually.
This one.
Yeah, mom and crystal. So do you see her proper noun has a capital letter and her common nouns have lowercase letters? That's perfect. Go ahead, put your name on there. Your turn. Go ahead.
My favorite planet is Earth.
And the next sentence?
My favorite food is egg.
Good. Where's the proper noun?
Proper noun right here.
Earth. And the common noun? There's a couple of common nouns. Planet is a common one. Food is common. And egg is common. Good job. Who's next? Okay, Sora.
My favorite food is egg. I see my sister. I like apple.
Good. So where's the proper nouns? The proper nouns with the capital letters. Apple is actually a common noun because apple is anything. Just like when we saw the orange. Remember the orange? Okay, so this is going to be our common noun, and lakeside is our proper noun. Hi, I'm recording this lesson on video. Can you just put it right there? Okay. Alrighty. Your turn. Go right ahead.
I'm not seeing egg straight on.
Go ahead.
My favorite food is broccoli.
Perfect. And what's the proper noun?
This one?
Your sister? What's her name?
And
Anupta. And then the common noun is broccoli. Good job, everybody. You did it. Okay. The last part of our lesson is to think about how well do I now understand common versus proper. Okay. I'm going to give you a little dot, and I want you to put it on this bullseye. Where do you feel about common versus proper noun? If you put it here, that means I get it. I understand, completely understand the difference between a common and a proper noun. If you put your dot here, I am almost there. Like maybe I need a little bit more help to understand common versus proper. Or if you put your dot here, red, I need more help. So maybe you need a lot more help to understand common versus proper. Okay? So I want you to come up here and tell me where you want your dot, and then I'll give you your dot and you put it on there. Okay? Where do you want your dot? Okay? Here you go. Put it where you want it. Where do you want your dot?
that one.
Okay, here you go. Where do you want your dot? Okay. Where do you want your dot? Okay. All right, there you go. Awesome. You can put it anywhere in there. I like to see the words, but that's okay. Maybe so I can take a picture of it later. Probably shouldn't have said anywhere. How about right there? There we go. Nice. So everyone pretty much got it? Or they're almost there. That's really good. Okay. I have some special treats for you that I brought back. I went to a really cool conference yesterday and I won some stuff. So I have 3 pencils. Yeah, it's time to go. 3 pencils and a pen. All right. So I think I'm just going to put it behind my back and you'll have to come and pick an arm and see what you get. Come on, Sora. Pick an arm. Which arm, Rain? No, you can't look. This arm, you get a pencil. Okay, come on, pick an arm. Pick one.
This one?
Ta-da, you get the pen. All right. That leaves pencils for you too. All right. That's it. You guys take your paper with you and you can go back to class.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You guys did awesome. Let me write some happy faces on those papers. Then you can show your mom or dad or teacher or whoever you would like. Okay, great job. Great job. Okay, have a good day. Great job. I'll see you later. Okay? Have a good day.